Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to know about another way of an activity to introduce good vocabulary. See here, it is purely meant for one class 1 and 2. Okay. Instructions. Write the names of the pictures from the help of the box. See here, S first one bed, S second one net. You have to use the hint box to identify the words. When you are identify the word, you have to write in the given box. Okay. S, it is bell. Now the next one, any guess? S, leg. You know very well the next picture. It is 10. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Make the students to do on their own. Now the last one, as well. This is the way of filling the activity, and it improves their vocabulary. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates like TOEFL English, easy English activities and vocabulary and TLM also. Thank you.